This company made a jack stand specifically, or a jack for lifted trucks. So it actually has an extension on the top of this that sticks up. So that way you can still use it like a normal jack and it stays level, but you can work on lifted vehicles.
That's pretty cool.
Because I like this, being able to just jack.
You can't make a quiet jack?
I need the bar.
No.
Are you gonna catch me on video? Uh-oh.
Looks like you can't run for any political campaign. You'll be canceled.
Alright, I'm gonna have to edit all that out.
Is it actually on video?
Yeah.
Sweet. Make sure no, you gotta delete it though. Someone will dig up that footage one day. That'll be the end of me. Caroline, you can clean these too like you did the other ones. Polish them. Got the little lady cleaning.
He's
Wow.
just including the diversity in it.
I know, this is gonna be such a show video. And it wasn't supposed to be.
You ready?
Yep.
45.
Alrighty.
Nothing?
No. Time for pull-ups.
There you go.
Yeah, it's just that brake line right there, see?
Oh, you can bend it, right?
Probably.
Or just like get a wedge in there. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Not, I mean on the hard part.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. I just wanted to see if I could get the hammer there. I could probably try and... Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Because you only have to crack it. You have to be on the nuts first.
That's fun. Alright, there we go. I was like, what? That seems awfully loose.
Just don't smash yourself in the face.
There we go, it clicked. Oh, that's a big transmission. Wow. How's your wheel polishing going, Taylor?
Good.
See, I told you could do something. Righty tighty, righty loosey. So your legs are 7/8, and these are 15/16. Did you see that?
No.
Good. Are you still recording?
Yeah. But you do awesome. You okay?
Yes, it hit right where I nailed my finger yesterday with the hammer.
Caroline, you can come over here and get in it as well.
It's alright. Anson will be the main feature.
Oh, listen, look. I need views. I need views.
So, this is a new brake pad.
You need your diversity count.
And young. And gender, yeah.
Dad. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Two things. One, I saw Ted on the highway. See, diversity.
Yeah.
Secondly, that reminded me, I love the way instructor Ted talks.
Yeah.
He kind of reminds me of Rich, except a less slow version.
Yeah.
but it'll just say things to you. Like, you're like, you know, I'm gonna play in a hurricane tournament. He's like, hurricane tournament. Hurricane tournament. Yep. Those are good. Old. New. These don't have to be replaced, but it's good if you do. There. Alrighty. Yeah.
On this hubcap, it's kind of cracked.
Oh, really?
No, not like cracked, but just like on the little logo, it's like kind of peeling. It's like that plastic.
Mm-hmm.
For your dad's birthday, you should replace it. Or
Okay.
for Father's Day.
Yeah, his birthday already happened.
Yeah,
So.
Father's Day.
Yes, sir. So much easier than Spencer's.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm gonna need to have a shower.
Yeah, you should see your face. It's really cute.
Oh, come on. Really? There you go. Okay, I thought you were gonna wash your hands. If so, you can wash them. I thought you were gonna wash your hands. If so, I was gonna tell you you can do them in the sink over there.
Probably because you're here. You're the shiny thing. So you make it
Oh, I thought you were saying I'm so dull.
Yeah, you are dull. You absorb everything.
By the way, we're getting all this on camera too.
Yikes.
She said delete.
Yeah.
This thing is starting to drive me a little crazy. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, it's so close. Come on. Yes.
Yeah.
Got it. Ow.
You okay? Do you need help?
No, I think I got it. Please don't tell me I didn't push the piston in enough. Are you serious? Why is this side taking longer? This is stupid. We should have taken before and afters of so many things.
We always do that.
There we go. Whee! Hey, you want to help me with this? And go towards you a little bit. We're almost done. Okay, there you go. It's on. Okay, now I just gotta kick it out. So these pads lasted about 50,000 miles. I mean, they could have lasted longer, but you think about it too. A truck this heavy, you gotta apply a lot more pressure on the brakes to slow it down, you know? Come on, man. You know, the thing. Me and my dad say that all the time. You know, the thing. The right. And then 30 to do that one.
Oh, I know. It's- I was amazed that you're on the. I was about to go here and do another angle.